Fidelity Wealthscape Review. Is it worth using? Welcome to today's video, where we delve into a comprehensive review of Fidelity Wealthscape. If you're wondering whether it's worth using this investment platform, you've come to the right place. Fidelity Wealthscape is an all-in-one wealth management platform designed for high-net-worth individuals and financial advisors. It offers a wide range of services, including portfolio management, retirement planning, and estate planning, among others. Let's take a closer look at its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Firstly, let's talk about the investment options. Fidelity Wealthscape provides access to a vast array of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and alternative investments. With over 35 mutual funds and more than 19 stocks, there's no shortage of choices for investors. Now, let's discuss the account minimums. Fidelity Wealthscape requires a minimum initial deposit of $1 million to open an account. However, financial advisors can access the platform with a lower minimum of $0. This high account minimum makes it an ideal choice for wealthy individuals and professionals seeking comprehensive wealth management services. One of the standout features of Fidelity Wealthscape is its customized investment solutions. The platform offers personalized portfolios based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. With the help of dedicated portfolio managers, you can expect a tailor-made investment strategy that caters to your unique needs. Another key feature is the integrated planning tools. Fidelity Wealthscape provides comprehensive retirement planning, estate planning, and tax management tools. These tools help clients make informed decisions about their financial future and minimize their tax liability. Now, let's talk about fees. Fidelity Wealthscape charges an annual fee of $0. 35% on accounts with a balance of $1 million or more. Accounts below this balance level are subject to a tiered fee structure, ranging from 0, 75% to 1, 35%. While these fees may seem high, they are competitive compared to other wealth management platforms catering to high net worth individuals. So, is Fidelity Wealthscape worth using? If you're a high net worth individual seeking personalized investment solutions and comprehensive financial planning tools, it could be an excellent choice for you. However, it's essential to consider the account minimum requirements and fees before making a decision. In conclusion, Fidelity Wealthscape offers a robust suite of wealth management services designed for high net worth individuals. With a wide range of investment options, customized portfolios, integrated planning tools, and dedicated portfolio managers, it's no wonder that many investors find value in this platform. If you're ready to take your wealth management game to the next level, Fidelity Wealthscape might just be the solution you've been searching for. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on finance, travel, visas, and more. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to address them in future videos. Until next time, stay informed and keep investing wisely.